To utilize the Southwest credit card's upgraded boarding feature, it's essential to understand how it works and the benefits it provides. The Southwest upgraded boarding allows passengers to secure a seat in the A1 to A15 range on a Southwest Airlines flight. There are several ways to obtain upgraded boarding. By purchasing a Business Select fare, buying upgraded boarding 24 hours prior to departure through the Southwest website, mobile app, ticket counter, or at the gate, or by possessing a Priority or Performance Business credit card from Southwest, each of which comes with 4 upgraded boardings per year. If you have both cards, you can stack these rewards. To use the Southwest credit card upgraded boarding, simply log into your account on the Southwest website, check in for your flight, and select the Upgrade Boarding Position to A1 to A15 option, which will reveal if the flight is eligible for upgraded boarding. Then, choose your payment method, in this case, the Priority or Performance Business credit card, and complete the purchase. Once the transaction is successful, the credit will be posted on your statement, confirming that you have secured upgraded boarding for your flight.